This is a 12-inch magnetic tool holder from HM Magnetics, and they sent this to me to demonstrate it for you. So I thought instead of talking about this a lot, let's just cut to the chase. It's a set of 4. You can see how well these are all stuck together. But let's do a couple quick demonstrations. Let me show you what it's like if you were attached to a toolbox. Sounds solid, right? Okay, I got that off and it was on there so good, I just scratched my toolbox. Don't tell my wife, she'll be pissed. And then I had another very simple test. What about picking up a giant hammer? Okay, so think about this. You're gonna hang this on your wall, right? Or I'm actually gonna hang it on the inside of that toolbox over there. And I wanna be able to hang things from it. If it can hold this hammer, like rock solid hold this hammer, it absolutely will support any tools that you want to attach to it. I don't know if there's more that you need to know about it. It is ridiculously powerful. So cool. That is the craziest, coolest thing. That is bizarre. I was actually not expecting that. I was kind of figuring I was going to have to adjust what tools I was going to demonstrate it with. I mean, it holds... Oh, that's nice aluminum, so that's not going to work. Aluminum again. What else can we use, Doug? Oh, how about a basic set of pliers? How freaking cool is that? You should definitely get this for yourself. There's a link here on the screen and down below. You cannot possibly go wrong with this if you're looking for something like this. If I've added some value to you, please like the video, follow the channel, hit that hype feature here on YouTube, and put in the comments, what are you going to use this for? I know that I'm going to use it actually for pliers inside that cabinet there, just because I'm always going to get the same pliers and I'm just going to put them right on the cabinet. So I go, boom, 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 pull them right out. But this thing is freaking cool. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.